All right. Good morning. It's Your Way Mobile Car Care. How y'all doing, Detail World? We out here again. We finally made it back out here. The last week was extremely cold. Didn't really get no more than to like 33, 34. So kind of like been stuck in the house. So I've been like editing videos, learning more about this editing program, just trying to get things right. Put one of these songs out. It wasn't mastered. I don't know why I did it. I just wanted to do some creating. But right now we out here in Franklin, Tennessee. We're working on this Chevy Tahoe right here. Really already inside. We're gonna go ahead and get it cracking. It's a little dirty in the inside. So gonna spruce it up. You know what I mean? So you got a little mud over there. The seat's a little dirty, things like that. So just gonna go ahead and get it right for us. But right now, like I said, it's about 38 degrees. The high today supposed to be like 50 something. So that's a good thing. So we're gonna try to take advantage of that. But yeah, I appreciate y'all, man. I know it's been a minute. All right. We just finished the inside of this car. Like I said, we detailed the interior. So like I said, we just had to shampoo it, do these seats, clean everything thoroughly. Like I said, we just finished this interior. About to go ahead and do the exterior of the car. Like I said, we gotta wash it. After we done washing it, we'll be done. Then we gotta head to our next stop. And I'll catch y'all in a minute. All right. We just finished this Toyota Chevy Tahoe Z71. We about to do this other Tahoe real quick. Like I said, we out here in Franklin, Tennessee. We got here about 10:30. It is approximately 12:48. I'm running behind today because of the cold. But like I said, we just finished this car. All right. Good afternoon. We just finished this 1996 Chevy Tahoe. Just a basic maintenance wash and clean. She didn't want nothing special done to it. Paint on the car kind of old anyway, but it took a lot to get this thing back in pristine shape. But the car came out pretty good. I used to always love this model. This was the first year they made the Tahoe. They used to actually call these things SS Blazers. So they were just big old Blazers, but they still keep this same looking interior. I know my car got this. I got a Tahoe and they got that same type of carpet and I hate it. But we finished here. We just washed it, vacuumed. So just did the windows, wheels, about to park it, give her keys, and then head to the next stop. We're probably about 20 minutes from our next stop. So it's gonna take us a little minute to get there. But yeah, today a beautiful day. Ended up being like 52 degrees. So once again, I'm gonna take advantage of this weather. And I want everybody to go hit that subscribe button, hit them likes, hit them shares, and definitely leave a comment. And I'll catch up with y'all in a minute. All right. Good afternoon. We made it to the second stop. We out here in Nashville. Like I say, we had to drive about 12 miles. It's a 14-minute track. But yeah, we about to do this Lexus right here. The first two cars with some Chevys. They about to knock this Tahoe, this Lexus out right here. Not sure if she want me to get this off her car, but I can. Not sure if that's what she wants, you know. And I know y'all probably in the video like, why are you saying could get it off? I mean, because it takes time to get stuff off like that. And why would I do something for free like that? You know what I mean? And then if I do take it off and then try to charge her for it, may not be something she wants to charge, you know, wants to pay for. So you got to be particular with these customers on exactly what you're doing in their cars. You got to sometimes let them know in advance, hey, we doing this, or they let you know in advance. Because, you know, sometimes you get some of these people cars to be a little bit dirtier than what you expect, and you get the detailing it, and tell them the price and ain't what they wanted to pay for. So got a little bit more precise and particular with these things. But this is just a maintenance wash. We probably cleaned it a couple of months ago. It's not really that bad. I'm gonna do the interior, exterior on it. Like I say, it's a pretty good day.
It would turn into sunshine.
50-something degrees. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get it started. I'm gonna catch up with y'all in a second. All right. Good afternoon. We just finished this Lexus RX 350. Like I said, it was just a maintenance clean. It's a little bit dirty in the inside. I really took care of that. She should be super happy about the work that we did. But so we did. We car looking nice and clean. Head to this next stop. We actually got 2 more stops. Next lady, she actually waiting on us. So about to go take care of that. And then after that, we be done for the day. And then we got a busy week this week. The weather's supposed to be in the 50s. So that's a good thing. Can't complain about that. Because last week was terrible. But like I say, we just finished this car here. About to head to the next stop. And like I say, just constantly just trying to provide people with the best service possible. Hit that comment, you know, say something. Tell me what you think about the work. Tell me what I need, some things I need to do to make my videos better, things of that nature. You know, I'm always down for constructive criticism, and I appreciate everybody. Catch you later. All right, y'all. Welcome, Detailed World. Welcome. We done made it to this 3rd appointment. 4th car. We finna do this Ford Explorer. We out here in Green Hills, Tennessee. It was probably about 10 minutes from where we was just at. We're making stops. We got 1 more stop to do, which is near my house. We'll make it easier. I got 2 new calls today off Google. Set one of the appointments already. The other guy, I told him I'm gonna try to make it to him today, but if we can't make it to today, I told him I definitely can come to him this week. And then he actually got work on BMWs. I told him, hey, if you want to see what kind of cars I work on, you can definitely go check out my blog. So, but like I said, we about to do this Ford Explorer, basic interior, exterior. They call it rejected, but like I said, it's nothing. You know, it's pretty clean here today. Really got a little light job, you know. So it ain't really that bad like the last one. The first car was a little doozy, the last car was a little doozy, but this one seemed like it's pretty fairly clean. So like I say, I'm about to go ahead and knock this out right here, this Ford Explorer, and we're gonna get with y'all in a minute. Yo, what's up? Good evening. We about 5:30. We finishing up this Lexus GS 350 right now. Almost done with it. Rennie, I'm drying it off right now. Rennie doing the inside. I was talking to the customer, that's why I didn't start it off. But like I said, he almost completely done with the interior already. So like I said, I just drying it off. And once I'm done drying it off, we headed home. Like I said, it's a beautiful day. Sun just went down over there. So trying to get it in. But like I say, man, we working hard, never hardly working. This is Your Way Mobile Car Care Service, man. I appreciate everybody in this detail world. Definitely check out y'all boy. Hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna have a new video up tomorrow, this whole week. Seems like I'm busy. So I'll be seeing y'all on the upside. Catch you later.